Hey there, everybody. Josh Crowfoot. I'm a commercial real estate attorney here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. This is day one of my 60-day series on things you can do to protect yourself when negotiating a commercial real estate contract. Today, with day one, I'm going to start with the most heavily negotiated provision in a commercial real estate contract, and that is the inspection period. In some contracts, it's known as a due diligence period, but it's a period of time in which the buyer gets to inspect the property, kick the tires, so to speak, and figure out if the property is worth the risk. In a due diligence period, the buyer is going to do several things. They're going to inspect the property for environmental issues. In a commercial real estate deal, they'll get a phase one report, which is a pretty detailed engineering report with respect to environmental conditions of the property. They'll also do due diligence on zoning, making sure that whatever the buyer is going to use the property for, that it's in compliance with the local zoning code. They're going to make sure that the use for the property complies with whatever they have envisioned for the property. And they're going to inspect if there's a building already in place. They're going to inspect the soundness of the physical structure. Now, due diligence periods are heavily negotiated because typically a buyer will negotiate a provision that states that they can terminate the contract early and get back their earnest money deposit if they do so during the inspection period. And I'll use those terms interchangeably, inspection period or due diligence period. In a commercial deal, typical due diligence is 60 to 90 days. The parties will usually negotiate an extension deposit. They'll put that into the purchase and sale agreement. You can extend by paying an additional earnest money deposit of $10,000. Just depends on the purchase price. It's typically 1% of the purchase price, but I've seen deposits of $50,000, $25,000, $10,000. Just depends on the size of the deal. Typically, when a party negotiates an extension deposit, that $10,000 will be non-refundable, but applicable to the purchase price. Hope you like this first session. I'll be doing these every day for the next 60 days. Take care.